So last night we hit 3000 subscribers on our channel. That means here is the giveaway winner right now on this video. But before going to the winner section, I want to tell you something. That's from next time I'm not going to use the comment picker tool. Like, I feel comment picker tool is a cheating. Exactly, it's a cheating, because there are genuinely some people who just have really big interest on my channel, and some people doesn't have any interest on my channel, any interest on my content, or even any interest on me, but they get the giveaway prices, and it's just ridiculous. Like, why I should give away these products to those people who doesn't have any interest on my channel, any interest on my videos, any interest on me? So why should I give away these products to them? And that is the reason I feel like comment picker tool is a kind of a cheating. So from next time I'm not gonna use the comment picker tool. I'll use something else. I'll let you guys know very soon, don't worry. Anyway, let's go on my computer. Here's my computer. Or let's go to the comment picker tool for this time, and let's choose the winner right away. And here, and I was a little sick. I already told you guys that I was a little sick, and that is the reason it took me 1 more days to make the video. And here I'm on my channel, and yeah, so here's my video. Let's copy the link address, let's paste it over here, and get your comments. Yep, so 100 comments already. There is around 200 comments, and let's go and let's pick the winner. So now here is the winner. The winner is, if I'm not spelling your name wrong, Retanio Jax, and his comment is, best of luck to you all. I was also on your iPad giveaway, didn't win, but hopefully this time. By the way, love your Apple contents, keep it up. Doesn't matter I win or not, I'll be with this channel. Thank you so much for being with this channel. I really appreciate your existence on my channel. And yeah, that's it, you own the product. So I'll be pinning your comment on that video, and I will also be replying you on that comment. Be sure to reply me back with your email address. I'll send you all the process to send you the products on your hand. And that's it, guys. If you haven't won, I'm telling you again, if you haven't owned the product, don't worry, just don't feel bad. Do not feel bad. Not this time, maybe next time. This is not the last one. There will be many more on the channel, and as I already told you, next giveaway will not be like this one. I'll pick the one who is more active on the channel. I'll be choosing myself the winner. Anyway, so that is it, guys. I hope you guys didn't feel bad. If you haven't won, I already told you, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. Anyway, don't feel bad. That's it. Anyway, Retanio Jax, if you don't reply me back on that comment within the next 7 days, this giveaway will be rerun, and the product will get to another guys maybe. Yeah, be sure to reply me back ASAP.